Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about analyze the functions. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have the domain of this one. That's about real number. So when s goes to positive infinity, we see that the highest is about s to the power of 4. Coefficient of this one is about number 1. So when s approaches to positive infinity, the function in here will go to positive infinity. Similar for the negative infinity. Because this is about even power and coefficient in here is about number 1. That's about positive. So when s approaches to negative infinity, they will go to positive infinity. Now we need to find first the derivative of the function. So this one we have 4s to the power of 3 minus 12s. Next, we need to find the critical point. So we need to put first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. So we divide both sides by number 4. And then we can do about factorization by s. So we have s equals to number 0 and s squared minus number 3 equals to number 0. So we put negative number 3 go to the right, and we have s squared equals to number 3. So if we put the square root for the both sides, so we have two solutions. The first one, that's about the square root of number 3, and the second one, that's about negative the square root of number 3. Now we can draw the table. This is about variation table. So we have s, first the derivative of the function, and we have negative infinity, positive infinity. Now we have the solution of first the derivative we put in here. So this one we have 0, 0, 0. Coefficient of highest power is about number 4. 4 is about positive. So the sign of this one on the right should be about positive. We go in here to negative, positive, negative. So we have the function in here. When s approaches to negative infinity, we have positive infinity. This one similar, positive infinity. Because first the derivative is negative, so the function is decrease. This one is about positive, so increase. This one negative, decrease. This one is about positive, increase. So we put negative the square root of number 3, number 0, and the square root of number 3 go to this function in here. So we have f of negative the square root of number 3. We have negative number 9. F of 0 is about 0. F of the square root of number 3, we have negative number 9. So we have negative number 9, negative number 9, and number 0 in here. Now, this is about local maximum. This is about local minimum. This one is about local minimum. And now about the intervals. The interval increase. So if we look on the table in here, they increase from the square root of number 3 0 and the square root of number 3 positive infinity. Now decreased. So if we look carefully on the table, we have from negative infinity to negative square root of number 3, and from number 0 to the square root of number 3, and that is the answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.